Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this delicious Oshikundu or Ontaku. Now for those who do not know, Oshikundu or Ontaku is a non-alcoholic fermented traditional drink which hails from Namibia, and the drink is usually brewed at home and it is enjoyed by both adults and kids. It is made with pear millet flour, which is also known as Mahangu, water, and a mixture of sorghum malt and pear millet bran, which is also known as Ongudo. I'm going to use a 4-liter jar, but you can also use a mixing bowl, and then we are going to add 3 cups of Mahangu or pear millet flour. And then we are going to add 5 cups of hot boiled water. So we're just going to add the water into our jar, and then we're going to mix it together with the flour using a wooden spoon, and we just want to mix it until it is lump free. Once we are done mixing it well, we're going to let it rest for 5 minutes. After that, we are going to add our mixture of sorghum malt and pear millet bran. Now this mixture is 1:1 ratio. We are going to need 2 tablespoons of this mixture. So if you did not mix it, it's basically 1 tablespoon of pear millet bran and another tablespoon of sorghum malt. And then we're just going to mix it into our mixture very well. Once everything is well mixed, we are going to start stirring our mixture at intervals. So this basically means we are going to stir our mixture for some 30 seconds, and then we are going to let it rest for about 15 minutes. And then we come back, stir again for some 30 seconds, and we're just going to repeat the process until our mixture is completely cool. And as we can see here, our mixture is starting to become runny as it cools down. When it is completely cool, we're going to add 2 liters of water, and then we're just going to mix everything together very well. And then we're going to add 1 cup of already fermented Oshikundu. This just helps with the fermenting process of our Oshikundu. And just mix it very well. Now you're just going to cover your jug or mixing bowl or whatever you are using, and we are going to let it ferment. Now the fermenting period is around about 12 to 14 hours, but just take note that the temperature plays a big role in the fermentation period. So basically when it is cold, the fermentation period might be longer, so it might take longer for it to be ready, and when it is a little bit hotter, then it will take less time for it to ferment. It has been around about 13 hours and our Oshikundu is ready. Just look at it. And there we have it guys, we just made Oshikundu. You can also add some sugar for it to taste. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and share it. Bye guys, see you in the next video.